Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am Amjad here from Doha, Qatar. Dear student, last time we were talking about electrochemistry topic. It is unit 7 in grade 9 and unit 12 in grade 11 as well. Up till now, I have already uploaded 3 lectures, and today we are going to talk about the lecture number 4. In lecture number 4, we will discuss only galvanic cell and dry cell. Let us start. First of all, galvanic cell, it may also be called Daniel cell. So first you must know what is this one, as it is the cell which involve the spontaneous redox reaction to generate electricity is called voltaic cell or galvanic cell. The name voltaic is given to this cell because Alessandro Volta discovered first this such cell. And the English chemist Frederick Daniel constructed first voltaic cell using zinc and copper electrode. Due to that, this one is also called Daniel cell. As regard of construction, if suppose in the question it is there write or explain or discuss the construction of Daniel cell, you must draw and label a figure. So this one is a diagram which show a Daniel cell. Look at here, it contains two container. One container, zinc electrode dipped in a zinc sulfate solution. Here zinc sulfate acts as an electrolyte, and copper electrode is dipped in a copper sulfate solution, and copper sulfate acts as also electrolyte. And a U-shaped tube is also that is connected between these two halves, and it is called salt bridge. It also contains the salts, and that is ionic salt, for example like potassium chloride. And when redox reaction takes place, the electron produced from the zinc and move towards the copper. So in this way electricity generated by this cell. Construction, more about the construction of the galvanic cell, I already explained to you. Like a galvanic cell consists of a zinc bar that is dipped in a 1 molar zinc sulfate solution, copper bar that is dipped in a 1 molar copper sulfate solution, an important salt bridge which is a U-shaped tube that maintains the neutrality between these two. It provides the connection between these two half also, and it maintains the neutrality of the cell also. And at the end, it should be connected with the voltmeter, which give us the current, how much it will provide the current. Working of Daniel cell, how it works. Each compartment of cell is called half cell. And when the circuit is complete, the electron begins to flow from zinc to the external wire and then to copper electrode, and from copper electrode into the solution. So zinc half act as anode, copper half act as cathode. Note that a half cell consists of a metal rod dipped in a solution of its salt. Working, more about the working of Daniel cell. In Daniel cell, the electron flows from the zinc rod, to the copper. Why from the zinc to the copper, not from the copper to the zinc? This is because the zinc has the more tendency to undergo the oxidation. Zinc is a more reactive metal than copper. So zinc atom from the rod go into the solution as zinc ion and give the electron, and these electrons flow in the external circuit, and thus oxidation half occur at anode compartment. So zinc act as anode and cathode act as copper act as cathode. So copper ions in the copper solution capture the electron and to form a Cu, yani copper. As regard of the reaction of the galvanic cell, look at oxidation at zinc anode, zinc solid giving zinc ion and 2 electron produced. And these 2 electrons are absorbed by these copper ion and changed into the copper solid. So overall, this redox reaction takes place in this galvanic cell. Zinc solid changed into zinc aqueous ion, copper aqueous ion changed into copper solid. The next is a dry cell. So first of all, you will write the construction of a dry cell. Whenever there is a question relating to construction of dry cell, you must draw and label a diagram. So I draw here, show you here diagram. So you can see. So in this dry cell construction, you must mention three things like which one is the anode. So here the zinc is anode. Look, it is zinc and it is anode. And which one is the cathode? Cathode is a this one, the rod, graphite rod. And electrolyte is a mixture of the moist ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. So reactions taking place in this dry cells are zinc, it changes into zincine giving the electron, and these electrons are absorbed here by the ammonium ion and giving the ammonia gas, and hydrogen gas also produced. So overall redox reaction takes place. At the end, what are the uses of dry cells? I think you know the dry cells, these are very common. We are using these dry cells even remote control, radio, and even in even shaving a razor. It can be in the clock also, toys also, flashlights also. So a dry cell is a portable electric battery that is used mainly in homes for flashlights, radio, remote controls, and many other devices. So with this one, I am ending my lecture today. So please subscribe and watching my channel Amjad Ali 1522 for the lecture 4. At the end, my message is same. Please take care of you and the people around you, especially your parents. Okay, Allah Hafiz.